Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the SEGURA Natcho Jacket for men and for ladies. Okay, so today we've got a men's and a ladies jacket review. We've got the men's version on my right, ladies one on my left. I'm going to talk about the men's one. They have exactly the same features. The ladies one's just going to fit differently to allow for different body shapes and come in smaller sizes, of course. So let's talk you through some of the features of the SEGURA Natcho Jacket. As I say, this is the men's version, slight difference in colour between the two. You've got a light grey down the front, the darker grey on the side panels on the men's one. The ladies' ones has much similar two types of grey on the product there. But these are the two colourways we're going to be running for next season. So this is one of my favourite jackets for next season. David, the designer of SEGURA, has come up with an absolute beauty and something different from everything else on the market. It's not just your plain black waterproof touring jacket. This is something totally different. So as you can see, it's a very new technical product, but it also gives you that casual look. So let's give you some of the features of this product. So you've got a removable hood on the top, which snaps down at the back so it stays out of the way of the product when you're riding, so you can snap it back down. Fully waterproof hood, of course. It is a completely waterproof jacket, BWTech 100 Plus membrane built into the product, so that's going to keep you dry and waterproof the whole time and be breathable. Coming around the top, two zippers running on the top here to give you a ventilation system across the top of the shoulder with a contrast mesh underneath it. You've got this puffer material running down the front. Now, as you'd imagine with a puffer jacket, they're normally quite weak and they tear very easily. Not with this product. It's completely sea approved against abrasion resistance, against tearing and shredding, and burst resistant as well. So you're getting a nice strong product even though you're getting that puffer look down the front of the jacket. Zips on the side here, your hand warm pockets with orange contrast labels on the side here. If I spin it round to the side, you've got soft shell running all the way down the arm. Arm pocket as well, a bit of extra storage on the side here. If I run it around, you've got adjustable elbow arm and two position, and you've got a stretch panel that run down the elbow as well, just for extra comfort. Zip closure at the bottom of the cuff with adjustable poppers as well, so you've got loads of adjustment around the bottom of the cuff as you'd expect from a SEGURA product. Spinning it around again, the puffer material runs down the back of the product as well. But again, you're getting the protection, you're getting the CE approval, the abrasion resistance, the burst resistance running down the back as well. So it's fully CE approved and waterproof as you'd expect. Running it back around the front again. If I just grab this custom puller on the side, this is a metal puller, metal hardware running down the front as well. So you're getting a really nice quality product. And when you open the zip, you can feel the quality coming through. As you know, with SEGURA, it's a quality brand. Just get this zip open while I'm showing it to you. There we go. You've got the storm flap running across, that stops any wind getting through that metal zip. It's going to get caught by that storm flap behind it, sewn over. Any water that gets through is going to run down and off the side of the product. So you've got that storm flap built in. Obviously, in the summer months you can fold that over, and that's going to allow some airflow through that metal zip. It's going to keep you a little bit cooler in the summer months. Pull that back out, open up the lining for you. So as you see, you've got a contrast grey lining on the inside. Zip out as you'd expect is a thermal alloy lining. Those that have used SEGURA before know they use really high quality linings. They could have just put a standard wadded liner in, they put thermal alloy in to reflect the heat back in. Much warmer lining than you're going to get with your standard products. You've got an inside zip pocket, that's where you're going to keep your phone to keep it nice and dry, inside the storm flap area. If I open up this side, you've got another pocket on the lining here. And again, back on this side, another pocket on the lining here, so there's loads of storage inside the jacket. Just undo that zip. You can see you've got the contrast of the lining to the BWTech 100 Plus laminate membrane on the inside of the product, and then the pocket behind the lining is there as well. So when you take the lining out, you don't lose the pocket because it's built into the lining. So that's the SEGURA Natcho Jacket, fully waterproof, fully CE approved, protective, 3-year extendable warranty via the Bikerheadz.co.uk website, available in the men's colourway here, which is the grey with the dark grey on the side, the ladies fit ladies colourway, which is grey on grey, a bit more subtle looking than the men's one. Both available from now. Check out Bikerheadz.co.uk for any more information.